It's a lady in London here, and today I want to take you on a self-guided walk in London's Greenwich. It's a popular post on my blog, and I hope you enjoy seeing a video of the tour. As always, you can get the route and the map on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and the link is in the description below the video. When you do the walk, don't forget to be respectful of the local residents and the neighborhood, but you already knew that. This video will show you around the route of my self-guided walk in Greenwich. The stops indicated in the video are some of the main streets, but as you'll see from my blog post and the map, there are a lot more to discover. After walking by the Cutty Sark, you'll turn left into the Naval College Gardens. This green space will lead you to the Old Royal Naval College, one of the most important set of buildings in Greenwich. Designed by Sir Christopher Wren of St. Paul's Cathedral fame and Nicholas Hawksmoor in the 17th century, the neoclassical architecture is stunning. You can spend some time walking through the gardens and admiring the buildings. On the way, you'll pass the statues of Sir Walter Raleigh and King George II. If you want to, you can buy a ticket and go inside the college buildings to see the stunning painted hall. Next, you'll come to the museums. You can go into the National Maritime Museum to see Admiral Nelson's coat, complete with the hole from the bullet that killed him. You can also head to the Queen's House. It's a 17th century Inigo Jones number, known for its symmetrical Palladian architecture. Entry to both is free. After the museums, you'll come to Greenwich Park. The walk to Greenwich Observatory is worth the climb, as it'll reward you with some of the best views in London. You can visit the Royal Observatory and learn about Greenwich Mean Time. You can even stand with one foot on either side of the prime meridian. You can also look down the hill for some of the best views in London. Looking down over the Queen's House and through the symmetrical buildings of the Old Royal Naval College to the skyscrapers in Canary Wharf is a real treat. When you're done on the hill, you can go back down through the park to the herb garden. It's a quiet green space away from the busy areas and has a nice cafe if you need a break. After Greenwich Park, you'll come to the side streets. From Royal Hill to Gloucester Circus, you'll see a lot of the beautiful streets that Greenwich's residential areas are known for. From pretty doors to local pubs, you'll see the details that make this one of the most beautiful London neighborhoods. While you can do this walk at any time of year, spring and summer are particularly nice because all the flowers and gardens are in bloom, and it really makes the neighborhood come alive. While there are plenty of side streets to explore in the walk itself, there are a lot more besides, so feel free to go off-piste a bit while you're around here and explore some more of the side streets if you want to, before resuming the self-guided walk with the map. When you're back on the main streets, you'll start to make your way back to the center of Greenwich and the markets. They're a real treat to explore. First, you'll come to the Greenwich Vintage Market. It has a great little warren of shops to explore. From there, you'll reach Greenwich Market, which is the main event. This big, historic covered market has shops and stalls selling everything you can possibly imagine, from food to handicrafts to vintage goods and more. There are shops lining the perimeter of the market, selling food and other goods. Once you're done exploring the markets and get to the Cutty Sark, your self-guided walk in Greenwich will be near its end. But there's a lot more to see in the area, so if you want to go back and explore more, you can. Greenwich is great for that, and I discover new things here every time I visit. I hope you've enjoyed this look at my self-guided walk in London's Greenwich. As always, you can get all the details on my blog, aladyinlondon.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. Happy walking!